Color grading is one of the most important parts of professional photo editing because it helps create mood, style, and cinematic visual tones. In Adobe Lightroom Classic, color grading tools allow photographers and creators to completely transform the look of their images using colors, lighting, contrast, and selective adjustments. And honestly, strong color grading can make even simple photos feel much more professional. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to color grade in Adobe Lightroom Classic step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and import the photos you want to color grade. The Develop module contains all the main color grading and editing tools. Before color grading, fix the overall exposure, highlights, shadows, contrast, and white balance. White balance controls help set the overall warmth or coolness of the image. The tone curve is one of the most powerful tools for cinematic contrast and faded film looks. The HSL panel allows you to control hue, saturation, and luminance for individual colors separately. And honestly, color grading is something that improves with practice and consistency. Studying lighting and cinematic color palettes can help develop a much stronger editing style over time. And that's your full guide on how to color grade in Adobe Lightroom Classic in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to create cinematic colors and more professional-looking photos using Lightroom Classic.